should we prepare our second and third marketing campaign before we launch the first marketing campaign?
Yes.
Okay, you go with this.
So the idea here is that most people naturally are thinking about their first marketing campaign, their Kickstarter campaign, or their launch campaign. But what I think this question is asking is it important to spend the time early on to prepare for subsequent marketing campaigns? And I believe absolutely yes, because they take a lot of time and energy, and when you're first launching a brand, there's so many things going on that when it's time to start doing the second and third, you're like super overwhelmed. So I say plan for the first 3 marketing campaigns before you launch.
We definitely think you should plan ahead, and I think this ties back into having a business plan and also planning your production. So it all ties in together: the business plan, the production plan for your second and third ranges ahead, and the marketing plan. It all works hand in hand. So I think if you do have a plan, again, it's easy to implement. You're not sort of winging it. You've got some goals and you've got a focus to get something happening.
Hi, my name is Chris. I'm a fashion startup consultant based in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. My passion is working with energetic startups to prepare them to meet investors. Together, we write your business plan, create your tech packs, fill in your quantity breakdown list, and finalize your quality control checklist. Then I take you to the Vietnamese sewing factories to get a price quote and get samples made. Get started by reading my ebooks or listening to them on audio. When you're ready, hire me and I will ease your fears and give you an action plan to realize your garment production dreams. Let's work together in Vietnam.